Another layer on there. Getting the top of this guy done up. Got the headliner pulled out so I can do those big ugly gray panels because they're gross. Look nasty in that gray. We won't have that. We'll have them nice and black. You get them nice and black just like everything else. This is definitely going to take a couple layers on these clothier sides here. I sprayed my finger. But, yeah, otherwise it's turning out nice. Closer to being finished with these guys. Getting final coats up here on the top and stuff. This guy's getting close to being done. I got a spot right there I gotta hit again. This fabric absorbs tons of paint. Tons of this fabric and vinyl paint, but it does a pretty good job. It does a pretty good job, so we'll get it finished up here. And I've also got some headway made on Moonroof panels. Let me slide my phone in here. They're coming along, slowly but surely. I gotta get this corner finished, but it's like right above my head, so I'm gonna wait a little bit until that side's drier, and then I'll just come over and I'll go on that side. I've got another opening over there where I can sneak in. I'm just trying to get everything from this angle that I can, and then I'll switch over to the other side and do that. And then we'll have a Celica with a black roof on the inside. Not the outside, just the inside. Yeah. I take the whole headliner out. There's a whole thing with that. There's my little fan. Little little fan. That's keeping me sane. There's the headliner pulled out. Headliner trim. It's moving along. Slowly but surely, folks. Slowly but surely. Alright. Well, we have achieved blackness all the way across the board. It's looking great. I got that handle all done. I got that top lip up there all done. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull all this plastic off, and we'll go ahead and put it all back together. Luckily, I've got a mount right there that I can stick you guys to. I want to get a couple of flashlights or lights and stick them up in here so that we can see what we're doing while we're doing it. I'll be back soon. Well, finished product here. Really darkens up the interior from that gray. Now I get the clip back in. I'll figure that out in a minute. But yeah, I love it. I think it looks fantastic. Got that top edge all done up there. So it's all nice and uniform. No gray spots peeking out. Yeah, pretty happy with it. These guys turned out pretty good. Not the greatest, but they're just sun visors. They're not anything I'm terribly worried about. As long as the rest of it looks good. Those are replaceable. I can always take the skins off of those and restitch them on there. I can wrap them in something and try to make them look a little nicer, at least on these sides. So, yeah, we'll see what's going on there, but that's it. She's all done. Another couple hilarious little add-ons here. I got rid of the giant RC car guy for that shorty. And then this little toe strap. I like it. Underneath the car.